Hi everybody, Kelly Harden here with Mihara Associates, and today I wanted to answer a question I get from my sellers. What happens after we've gone under contract? Well, then we're going to negotiate for repairs. The buyers are going to have a licensed inspector come into the house and perform an inspection. And anything that he finds, they're going to ask if the sellers will repair it. The sellers have the option of doing it or not. Anything that you have agreed to repair has to be done before closing, has to be done by a licensed contractor, and we need to provide proof to the buyers that it was completed. After that, then you're going to want to pack everything you own. The contract is going to spell out what conveys to the buyers. Typically, it's your window treatments and your major appliances. It may include your washer and dryer and a few other things, but it'll be spelled out in the contract. Then you're going to take all of your boxes and furniture and everything and move into your new place. Once you've done that, then you're going to want to do a light cleaning. Now, you don't have to do a deep spring cleaning, but you want to make sure that the carpets are vacuumed, the floors are swept, the counters are cleaned off, so that the buyers have a good impression and a warm feeling of the home when they move in. That's a polite, kind thing to do. And in some states, it's actually spelled out in the contract that the house has to be broom swept. There are a few things that you're going to want to leave behind for the buyers. Those include any keys that you have, any garage door openers, if you have keys to the mailbox, if there's a key to the front gate, anything such as that. You're also going to want to leave behind any owner's manuals to any of the appliances that are conveying with the home. Then you're going to want to make sure that you transfer your utilities. You want to cancel or stop service at your existing home when you move, and you want to make sure that you turn them on where you're moving to. Seems straightforward and simple, but in the excitement of everything that's going on, a lot of times things get missed and left behind. So I usually will provide you with a list of everything that you need to do, and I'll walk you through it step by step so we can get to the closing table. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My number's 813-244-9688, and my email is kelly@kellyharden.realtor. Hope to hear from you soon.